If you knew that only 3 specific sounds could finally silence your mind and make you fall asleep faster than ever before, would you try them tonight or keep struggling with endless, exhausting nights? This question might feel uncomfortable, but it hits directly. No cue, romente importa. Your sleep shapes everything: your focus, your mood, your energy, your decisions, and even the way you see yourself every day. When you sleep poorly, the world feels heavier, your thoughts feel louder, and nothing flui come de vida. But when your body experiences deep, restorative sleep, everything melhora instantaneamente. Your clarity returns, your patience returns, your motivation returns. Sleep is the invisible engine that powers your entire life. 7 milhões de pessoas tentam dormir em estado mental incompatível com descanso. They lie down physically exhausted but mentally overstimulated. They scroll through feeds, answer messages, worry about work, replay conversations, or plan tomorrow's chaos, and then expect the brain to magically switch off. But the brain doesn't work on command. It works on signals, and certain sounds are among the most powerful signals for shutting down overactivity and guiding the mind gently into the territory of sleep. Hoje você vai explorar os 3 sons que mais induzem o sono. Sons que não apenas ajudam você a adormecer, mas também melhoram dramaticamente a qualidade do seu descanso, diminuindo a hiperatividade mental and allowing the nervous system to reset itself naturally. These are the sounds that sleep researchers, therapists, and neuroacoustic experts consistently highlight for their ability to shift the brain into slower, calmer patterns. Let's begin with sound 1. Brown noise. People often hear about white noise, but brown noise vai muito além. It's deeper, richer, and mais suave, almost like a warm sonic blanket. It masks intrusive thoughts and external distractions more effectively because it has a heavier, low-frequency texture. When people with busy minds try brown noise, pela primeira vez, the reaction is almost always the same. My brain finally went quiet. Brown noise gives your mind something steady to follow, a stable, predictable pattern that naturally lowers mental agitation. It's especially effective for quem luta contra ansiedade, TDAH, ou excesso de pensamentos à noite. It's not magic, it's neuroacoustic pacing. Your brain hears stability and begins to replicate that stability internally. Now vamos para Sound 2 Delta Frequency Audio. 1. Ave mais poderosos sons indutores de sono existentes. Delta Waves são as frequências dominantes durante o sono profundo, aquele estágio em que o corpo se regenera de verdade. Listening to audio-tuned delta frequencies helps push the mind away from alertness beta waves, past relaxed awareness alpha waves, and into the slow wave patterns that lead to real, heavy, restorative sleep. Many people describe delta frequencies como a sensação de desligar do mundo. Their muscles relax faster, their breathing becomes naturally deeper, and the constant chatter in the mind quiets down. Delta Audio isn't meant to entertain you. It's meant to condition your mind into the same rhythm it experiences during your most rejuvenating sleep cycles. E agora chegamos ao Sound 3 Soft repetitive nature rhythms, particularly flowing water, distant thunder rumbles, or rhythmic forest ambience. Humans evolved surrounded by these natural patterns. For thousands of years, the mind learned to associate gentle, repeating nature sounds com segurança, proteção e descanso. Flowing water, por exemplo, creates a perfectly balanced sound escape menus, not too sharp, not too sudden, not too varied. The brain recognizes it as a safe environment and reduces its vigilance. Distant thunder, on the other hand, creates a deep, grounding resonance, que acalma o sistema nervoso. Forest ambiences with crickets or gentle night insects create cyclic sound patterns that help the brain synchronize with calm, natural rhythms. These sounds work because they remind the brain of something fundamental. You are safe enough to sleep. But here's the truth. Poucas pessoas entendem. Sons indutores de sono não funcionam apenas porque são relaxantes. They work because they shift your internal state. They move you out of mental speed and into mental softness. They transition you from tension to surrender. They give your nervous system permission to release everything it has been holding on to throughout the day. Imagine isso por momento. You lay down in a dark room. You press play. Slow rolling brown noise fills the air like a warm wave. Then delta frequencies begin fading in behind it, subtly guiding your brain into deeper stillness. A soft stream of water flows just beneath the main layer of sound, creating a comforting natural rhythm. Within minutes, your shoulders drop, your thoughts dissolve, your breath deepens, the muscles around your eyes soften, your heartbeat slows down, and finally, pela primeira vez em dias, talvez semanas, you feel your mind releasing control. This is what these 3 sounds are designed to do. Not force you to sleep, but allow you to sleep. Sleep isn't something your body has forgotten how to do. It's something your environment and your overstimulation have been interrupting. The sounds merely remove these interruptions. And the benefits vão muito além de adormecer rapidamente. When you enter sleep, com estado mental guiado por sons calmantes. Your body reaches the deeper phases of the sleep cycle mais rápido. You experience longer periods of delta sleep, the phase em que o cérebro remove toxinas, equilibra hormônios, fortalece o sistema imunológico e restaura a energia de forma profunda. This means que você acorda menos durante a noite, dorme por mais tempo de forma contínua e desperta com uma sensação que talvez tenha esquecido acordar realmente descansado. There's also a psychological transformation that happens when you use sleep-inducing sounds regularly. People rel it in, feeling calmer during the day, less reactive, more emotionally stable, and more mentally clear. It is not that the sounds magically solve problems. It is that good sleep gives your brain the capacity to handle life again. A rested mind behaves differently. A tired mind overreacts. The difference is enormous. Another advantage dos três sons é que eles criam um ritual. The moment you press play, seu cérebro começa a reconhecer. Este é o momento de desligar. Rituals são atalhos para estados emocionais. When your brain associates certain sounds with deep rest, the response becomes faster every time. Eventually, many people find that even a few seconds of listening to these sounds already begin to slow the mind. But, é fundamental escolher versões de alta qualidade. Poorly mixed audio, harsh tones, or inconsistent volumes podem ter o efeito oposto e deixar seu cérebro mais alerta. Choose clean, balanced soundscapes that flow smoothly, without sudden peaks. A boa gravação parece natural, contínua, quase invisível, menos como se estivesse apenas acontecendo no ambiente. When you finally experience the right combination, brown noise, delta patterns and natural rhythms trabalhando juntos, you feel something almost a sensação de que seu corpo está finalmente sendo guiado para onde ele sempre quis ir. Sleep becomes effortless, beautiful, natural, and deeply healing. So, aqui está a verdade final. You don't have to fight your brain to sleep. You don't have to lie awake, frustrated. You don't have to hope that tonight will be better than yesterday. You only need the right sounds, the ones that speak directly to your nervous system. Calm your mind from the inside out, and turn your nights into your greatest source of restoration and peace. And if você realmente deseja transformar suas noites a partir de agora, então estes três sons são o primeiro passo para a melhor noite de sono que você já teve.